गाडी लायल्या म्हणून नो पार्किंग लायलेलो आहे. ओके कितें फायन फुटपाथीक लायल्या म्हणून कित्याक तुका पार्किंग खबर ना खंय आहा तें पळोवंक ना. कितले फायन मारल्या तुका आतां दिल्लें ना. कितें सांगलो मॅसेज येतली म्हणून चालांगाची. ओके कितें सांग सोदताय तुका आतां फायन मारल्या तेजेर एक तुज्या कडसून मॅसेज कितें दुसऱ्यांक
गाडी नंबर प्लेट विदाउट नंबर प्लेट होता न्हू ते रावनात पुलिसां गाडी
आमी ऑफेन्स करपाक लागूनच ते तशें करतात.
कितें तर करून बघतात ते तेका लागून अशें पार्किंग आसलें का तुमी तांकां हाडूंक शकता अशें.
आनी आमी तशें चलन तांकां इश्यू करता.
कंप्लेन ट्राय करून येता तुमी.
सर पण ॲक्च्युली बस स्टँड असो फुटपाथ असो आनी खंयचे हेतून मार्किंग करप गरजेचें आसा जेणे करून लोकांक कळपाक.
प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटान करप आसता. हे आमचें जें कितें काम आसा तें आमी फॉलो करता. दुसऱ्या डिपार्टमेंटाचें आमी कांय करूंक सांगूंक शकना.
As a pedestrian, I will walk here. You see this?
सर ना हू इज गिविंग परमिशन फॉर दिस.
Nobody is giving. So that's what I'm saying. Basically, the problem here, the demarcation line between KTC bus stand and MMC has not been demarcated. Marking has not been done. So that is what we are going to pursue today. See, when a pedestrian walks and comes in the bus stand, he should be free from any encumbrances, any encroachments or whatever it is.
But this is going on from many years.
Now while going, I bang it. What
Yeah.
he will say? You have banged my watch. But can his watch be here in the first place? He cannot be. He has not paid a license.
हे सगळें इलिगल सर. सगळें
So,
इलिगल.
सर पण हेच म्हापसा म्युन्सिपालिटी दोळ्या समोर आसा न्हू.
it is not only about...
कोणाचें काम हे.
Correct. So that is what our report will go to collector. See, whatever we are observing, we will put in the report to the collector because we have done earlier inspections of this bus stand.
Yes.
So some improvements have taken place, say 30%, 70% is still pending. Now in KTC bus stand Panjim, the improvements are more.
टुमॉरो कोण जर बँक जालो हेचे हू विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दिस नाव.
Now you see. Last time also I brought to the notice, he is selling
गुटका.
So that day he will remove again, he will come.
कित्याक दॅट ऑल्सो हांवें नोटिसान हाडलेले ते
ये तुम्हारा है. हाँ?
सांगून आपले नाव काय येता आपलं नाव.
तो निकाल ना. ये निकालो.
भाई तुझे किसने परमिशन दिया इधर किसने
अरे
परमिशन
निकालो रे
दिया.
बाबा, मैं बोलता है निकालो.
म्हापसा म्युन्सिपालिटी ने परमिशन दिया था. किसने दिया.
कदमन दिया.
कदम्बा ने दिया. किसने
निकालो
दिया.
ना तुम. चलो निकालो.
हाँ?
आणि हे सर आता गुटखा एक
किसने दिया. सर कोण परमिशन दिता आता हांकां.
निकालो.
एम ए सर
ये क्या हुक डाल.
सर आता हे कोण परमिशन दिता हांकां.
तुमको शॉप मिलेगा तो क्या करेगा ये? हाँ? ये लोगों को
Okay.
चलने का रास्ता है, बिजनेस करने का है.
यू आर नॉट इश्यूड एनी परमिशन पण तुमकां खबर आसा हे चलता ते.
आमी इन्फॉर्म केलेलं कदंबा की काढा म्हणून.
होय.
2 दीस काडटा परत
अरे बाबा निकालो.
पण कितें एक्शन हेचेर.
ऑलरेडी इन्फॉर्म केला आम्ही यांना काढा म्हणून तिथे काढीच नाही आल्या.
हर टाइम बोलने का है तुमको.
त्यांचे गुटका हे पळय.
मोबाईल निकाल.
त्यांचे गुटका हे पळय. हे सगळं हांगासर दवरता.
हे बघ हे तो पेकडो धा बाबा.
हे सगळे त्यांचे गुटका तंबाखू
हमारा मुंह का
आणि त्यांना सपोर्ट करता हे शॉपकार हांगासर.
क्या होगा तुम.
हा तुम्ही मरे सपोर्ट करता त्यांना. तुमचे न्हू जाल्यार तुम्ही तुमच्या शॉपा पानाक दवरपाक दिता मरे.
Let him get it. We'll see.
हा
तिथं राहा बघ.
तुम्ही सपोर्ट करता तुझे न्हू जाल्यार तुझ्या शॉपा कडेन कित्याक सपोर्ट करता
हो,
तेका.
ही गाडो कोणाचो गाडो.
हो भाडा घेतला.
हा भाड्या म्हणजे कितें पळय मरे. दीनदयाल स्किमाची हे दीनदयाल मागीर कोणाचे सांग तूं म्हाका. हे कोणाचे कोणाचे रे. हा सेपरेट म्हणजे कितें.
सर हे कोण दिता आता.
हे कोण तुझे न्हू आम्ही तुझ्या गाड्यार घालता ते आम्ही फाटल्या फाटी तुझ्या गाड्यार व्हिडिओ घेतो ना मरा हांगा इकता ते दाखयना मरे डायरेक्ट. हा
तुवें दिन जायना तो भाडे घेतलो
तो
मरे.
गाडो तुजो मागीर पात्राचो मरे. बरें आहा.
हे जे दिन
तुका नोटीस येतली. तूं उबो राहा मरे. FDI ची नोटीस तुका येतली. हांव सांगता तुका. हांव सांगता आतां. लक्षांत घे.
हे जे दिन
सर
गाड्या
देर आर मेनी शॉप्स लाईक
No,
दिस.
no, no. I'm telling him because he starts here. This is blocking the access to the passengers. परत आम्ही येऊन सांगचे ना. 5 इन्स्पेक्शन आम्ही केले हांगा. तूं आमी कितले फावटी येवन सांगला मरे. तो लिपयता फोनाक की आमी पिशे कितें.
सर थंयसर मोडके विकता. दीनदयालाच्या शॉप
हांव तुका सांगता
हय मडके विकता दीनदयालाच्या थंय
परत जर तू हे हांगा घालीत मरे तू लक्षात दवर.
मडका घेतात
मडको घेता थंय
हे जे आता जे गाडे दिल्लेले जे आता गरीब म्हणून हांगा हे काडले तेंच्यांनी भाड्याक दिले आनी आमी पळयता आतां खूब कडेन हांगासर गुडका शेवटे मडका
अरे एक काम करो लाइट को वायर को डालो ना शॉक ले लो ये इधर क्यों लगता है ऊपर ले लो लगा हाथ को
सध्या दीनदयालाच्या शॉपांचे मडके घेतात तेंचेर कशें कितें आता
That is what I am trying to tell you. A meeting will be convened with all the departments who are stakeholders in this process. Deen Dayal gadas were issued long time back. Now there is no supervision on these gadas. So we have already started. The same thing is happening in Madgaon bus stand. So that matter has already gone to KTC. A joint meeting will be called of whoever is taking responsibility of these gadas.
सर आता फाल्यां जर ही शॉपां परत येयली जाल्यार हू विल बी रिस्पॉन्सिबल आनी कोणाक कंप्लेन करपाच्यो आनी हू विल टेक एक्शन ऑन दीस नाव
Point here is that we have to first identify who is the overseeing department for this gada. See, it was issued long time back, and you can see the board is still there.
एक्चुअली तांकां बरी ट्रेनिंग दिवंक जाय
हां
स्पेशली तेंचे ड्रायव्ह घेवंक जाय स्पेशली ते टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरांचे ते ऑलवेज ते ट्रायंग टू गो फास्ट ते सिग्नलां पळयना झेब्रा क्रॉसींग पळयना आतां तूं हांगा उबो रावशीत न्ही यू वील फायंड 100 व्हेकल्स क्रॉसींग द झेब्रा लायन दे नेवर क्रॉस स्टॉपिंग बिफोर द झेब्रा लायन आनी एकदां म्हाका हांव असो उबो आसलो हांवें मागीर गाडी मारली हांगूर सेम स्पॉटा
सो झेब्रा क्रॉसींग पळयनात ते
झेब्रा घालून पळयना झेब्रा क्रॉसींग आनी ते झेब्रा क्रॉसींग करून ते ओबे करिना रूल चडशे सो हांव पळयता RTO बरें इनिशिएटीव घेतला हें काम करपाक आनी गोवोरमेंटान मातशें बरें इनिशिएटीव घेतलें तशेंच म्हाका ऑल गोवा अशें करचें आनी स्पेशली RTOन ज्यो लायसनां इश्यू करता जो बेस्ट ड्रायव्हिंग घेता तांकां स्ट्रिक्टली लावंक जाय
सिग्नल पडला आसतना हांगासून गाडयो पास जाता तूं फुड्यान आसतना
ओके
मागीर डिजिटल हें पयलें मरे डिसिप्लीन आनी टू व्हिलरांक तर हेंच नासता
पळयत ना
कांयच पळयना
आनी मागीर पेडेस्ट्रियन
हें कितें जातलें 1-2 दीस टीव्हीचेर प्रोटोन जावप आनी हेजेर दाखयलें मरे फिनिश CMाक बायल सुद्दां घेतलेले तेरे म्हाजे मागल्या कांयच जावचें ना
पेडेस्ट्रियन जर झेब्रा क्रॉसींग वयल्यान चलता जाल्यार तो
एवरीथींग तुमचो रूल हो जस्ट नालाव दितलो म्हणून तो मातसो रावता तो मागीर अंडरग्राउंड वायर दिले की
ओके
Today basically was a drive in honor of the 8th UN Road Safety Week, which gives importance to safety of pedestrians and cyclists. Monday we did a drive in Panjim, today we are doing a drive in Mapsa along with other departments like Goa Can, Traffic Police, Mapsa Municipality. So we have gone around the bus stop and identified a few points wherein pedestrians are getting affected. A few challans have been issued for people who are parked on pavements. Then we have gone at the back, we have also noticed a lot of renter bikes and parked in the municipality area, which again is illegal. But we found so many of them, so today we have not issued any challenge, but we are going to do a special drive. We have done this in the past. We have issued a special drive, they have removed their vehicles, they appear to have come back again. So this time we are going to keep a date and we are going to have a special drive only for these renter bikes who are having parked in the city and not at their place of business. And we will take further necessary action as per the law. So today the basic drive was just to make awareness of pedestrian safety.
म्हणून तांकां चलन दिलें आता तेजेर कारवाय पूण सदींच हो प्रकार घडलेलो आसा एक जालें दुसरी गोश्ट RTOच्या तोंडा फुडें इन एंट्रन्स आतां बाकीचे कडेन तुमी सगळे कडेन गेल्या तशें एंट्रन्सांत जे कोण काही दलाल बसलेले आसा एक फॉर्म म्हणटा बेश्टे भरपाक 200 रुपया 300 रुपया हेंचेर कारवाय कित्याक जायना हो पयसो खंय वयता कोण घेता
Start with how I am from enforcement. I am not from MAPSA, I am posted enforcement North Nagpur. My duty is to check traffic and violation of traffic operators, two-wheelers and four-wheelers violating traffic laws. I am not that will have to clarify with the respective authority. But आमची drive is फक्त two-wheeler and four-wheeler, but block करता थंयसर आमी रेग्युलर इश्यू करता आमी चलान. आमचे बंद जायना, but regularly you get new people coming and disobeying the law. So as and when we find them, we issue them challan.
As you know, the 8th United Nations Global Road Safety Week is held every alternate year. So in 2023, the focus was dropping the speed limit to 30 kilometers per hour at market area, junction, so that there is no crash on the people who are walking, crossing the road there. This year, the United Nations theme and focus is make walking and cycling safe. So the pedestrians have to be safe. So the footpath, pavement for the pedestrians should be clear from any encroachment. Vehicles should not be parked on the pavement. So with this focus, we are the drive started on Monday, and it is going on in both districts. So today we are at Mapsa. One group is at Vasco today, and the focus will be to see that no parking by two-wheelers, four-wheelers is done on the footpath. We want to also create awareness for the public. आता आमचे लोक कितें आसा क्रिटिसायज करता पण कंप्लेन करता. सो आमी कितें म्हणटा, आमी कितें म्हणटा, प्लीज कंप्लेन टू द म्हापसा म्युनिसिपल कावन्सील, टू द डायरेक्टरेट ऑफ ट्रान्सपोर्ट, टू ट्रॅफिक पुलीस, दॅट इन सो एंड सो प्लेस I cannot walk, I am a senior citizen, I am person with disability, म्हाका चलपाक जायना, कितें every day some parking is going on, or somebody is putting his shop there, putting some extension of the shop and blocking. So I have to come on the road. And roadar jar yeta, there will be accidents. So we will also see today in the group here, we are going to have director of transport, traffic police, district police, accordingly, representation from Mamledar. So whatever findings we are going to see today, we will be handing it over. And we have also asked Mapsa Municipal Council also to present here, because we want to see whether some of these pavement marking has been done very clearly, especially in front of building. आता काही बिल्डिंगा मुखार थोडे कितें म्हणटात, पणजे आमी पळयला थोडे बँक म्हणून ही आमची प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी. इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. द फुटपाथ इज नॉट अ प्रायवेट प्रॉपर्टी, इट इज फॉर द पब्लिक. So there is some grey area misunderstanding. So we will be taking note of that, and final report of the full week will be submitting to district collector for taking further action in the with the respective department. ह्या विकाचो एक्टिविटी करून एक लेवलाचेर पब्लिकाचें अवेरनेस जातलें. दुसरें डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवलाचेर आमी जेन्ना रिपोर्ट दिता, कलेक्टर विल बी रायटिंग टू DCP that no so and so building this information has come, you please go and conduct the inquiry on that. So it is a two-way program. One is awareness, and also chalaning will be done today. So many people who do not know that chalaning can be done about this issue. In Panjim, I think nearly 4 machines were used, maybe over 100 chalaning also. So what you have said is right. But we, as a consumer organization, see, we have to create a confidence, first of all, in the right of the consumer. See, if no action is taken by any authority,
Yes.
it comes under Deficiency Service of under Consumer Protection Act 2019. If you see, tomorrow is 15th. In Junta Hall, you can, if you visit there, cases are going on. People from in and around Mapsa have filed, from Salsette they have filed. So, GG authority, as knowledge asun pasun jar action घेना,
Yes.
the process will take it there, and they are then directed to take the action. See, so moto action should be taken. There is no doubt about it. But this is happening in all cases. So our drive here is to reduce the number of fatal accidents and severe injuries. So in fact, tomorrow is International Day of Families. So tomorrow our focus will be very specifically to see the misery that has been caused to many families who have lost either one or two persons through death, or they are suffering from brain damage, or they have got permanent disability. म्हणजे एक हात गेलो, or पाव गेलो. All these things, see, nobody talks about it. So we will be highlighting this tomorrow to Social Welfare Department, Women and Child Department, what action should be taken, what steps government should take as far as this is concerned.
सो फ्रॉम टुमोरो आता ज्या ज्या जाग्याचेर रस्तो चलपाची वाट आसा त्या त्या जाग्याचेर जेन्ना कंजेशन जाता, द
Now,
एक्शन
I'll
विल
give
बी
a simple
टेकन फ्रॉम
example.
टुडे.
I'll give a simple example.
Yes.
In Madgaon, it was done on Monday. It was done in Panjim. Now some people, the mannequins rasta, परत ते mannequin घातल्या थंय. Correct?
Yeah.
So we have taken note of it, and if he has again, after telling him he has put it again, then issue notice will be, and as far as his trade license is concerned, that process will start.